If you were asked to give me a nickname, wag yun ha. What would it be? Mayos ka, wag yun.
Siyempre, Nadie. Or Pumpkin.
Your turn.
Okay, what's the most recent dream you can remember?
Recent dream? Wala ka dun sa dream eh.
So it's a bad dream.
Pero nightmare kasi yun. What is your favorite holiday?
Korea.
Holiday? Halloween.
Holiday? Okay, I think like
Ay, wait
vacation,
lang.
like
Ano
holiday,
ba? Vacation? Or both na lang?
Well, okay, favorite holiday vacation was Korea, your birthday.
Halloween.
It was also Halloween, so
So parehas na.
Halloween. Okay, what's your favorite memory of me? Favorite memory?
Ito na nga, iniisip ko lang ako ano yung sasagot ko, di ba? Favorite memory. Gusto ko yung sa Araneta din, syempre. Pero alam niyo naman siguro yun. Hindi, yung sa Lake Tahoe talaga. Sa San Francisco. Basta lahat yon, yung buong trip na yun, yun yung pinaka-favorite ko. Kasi doon na nag-start kasi lahat. So okay na? Okay, ano ba?
If you could go anywhere on a vacation, where would you go?
Wala pa nga ako sinasagot, kinikilig na. Gusto ko Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Kasi ever since talaga, kahit bata pa ako rin, yun talaga yung dream destination ko. Sa Tokyo, tapos Cherry Blossom Festival. Kahit nakita ko na yung Cherry Blossoms, iba pa rin talaga pag yung sa festival mismo, makikita mo nakaliit niya yung mga puno, tapos puro pink, tapos nalalaglag. Ay, ang ganda. So yun, yung gusto ko talaga.
I think, yun, yung sa Cosmo, syempre, I mean, oh my God. It haunts my dreams. Nightmares din. Okay, moving on. Okay, what is your favorite way of spending time with me?
Madami, pero pag nagte-travel,
I agree.
diba? Pag nagte-travel.
Yes.
Yun.
What do you like best about me?
What do I like best? I love that I'm so comfortable around you. And I can be myself. And you're understanding. Marami na yun.
Damn, sa Korea.